Hi, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss one more problem by Laplace transform to solve the partial differential equation. The problem is solve by Laplace transform dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou t plus u is equals to 0, x is greater than 0, t is greater than 0 and subjected to the conditions u of 0 comma t is equals to 0, u of x comma 0 is equals to sin x. So this is the given problem. Now let us collect the data. Dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou t plus u is equals to 0. Now for this, taking Laplace transform on both the sides, then we get L of dou u by dou x plus L of dou u by dou t plus L of u is equals to 0. So L of dou u by dou x value is du by dx plus du by dx. So this value is s into u of x comma x minus u of x comma 0 plus L of u of x comma t is capital U of x comma s is equals to 0. So this is implies du by dx plus s u x comma x minus u of x comma 0 is given sin x. So minus sin x plus u of x comma s is equals to 0. Now du by dx plus s into u of x comma s plus u of x comma s is equals to sin x. Now this is a differential equation. We are going to find for this complementary solution and general solution. To find complementary solution, let us write the auxiliary equation m plus s plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is equals to m is equals to minus s plus 1. So for this complementary solution is a of s. So a of s is constant. So e to the power minus s plus 1 into x. So this is the complementary solution. Then find particular solution. Particular solution is equals to sin x divided by d plus s plus 1. So for this here denominator is d plus s plus 1. So rationalize this function. So this is equals to sin x divided by d plus s plus 1. So into divided and multiply d minus s plus 1. Then simplify this, then you get this. So here replace d square divided d square by minus 1, then we get, so here see d of sin x, it means differentiate sin x, we get cos x. So minus s plus 1 into sin x. So here d square is replaced by minus 1, so minus 1 minus s plus 1 as right as it is. So this is equals to cos x minus s plus 1 into sin x. So minus 1, so expand this, so minus s square plus 2s plus 1. Now this is equals to cos x minus s plus 1 into sin x. So minus 1 minus s square minus 1 in minus 2s. So simplify this, finally you get s plus 1 into sin x minus cos x divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. Therefore u of x comma s is a of s into e to the power minus s plus 1x plus s plus 1 into sin x minus cos x divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. Now we have to find this constant a of s. To find a of s, given u of 0 comma t is 0. So this condition is given by in the problem itself. So for this apply Laplace transform. So L of u of 0 comma t is equals to 0. So L of u of 0 comma t is capital U of 0 comma s. So here put x is equals to 0 in equation 1. So this is equation 1. Take it, this is equation 1. Put x is equal to 0 in equation 1, then you get u of 0 comma s is equals to a of s minus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1 is equals to 0. Then we get a of s is equals to 1 divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. This value is substitute in equation 1, then you get final this. So now we have to apply for inverse Laplace transform for this, but very difficult to find these values, therefore so this is only the final solution. So next problem is solve by Laplace transform dou u by dou t is equals to dou square u by dou x square. So x is lies between 0 and 1 and t is greater than 0, subjected to the conditions u of x comma 0 is equals to sin phi x and u of 0 comma t is equals to 0 and u of 1 comma t is equals to 0. So t is greater than 0. So let us correct the data. Dou u by dou t is equals to dou square u by dou x square. So for this apply Laplace transform on both the sides, then we get L of dou u by dou t is equals to L of dou square u by dou x square. So L of dou u by dou t is s u of x comma s minus u of x comma 0. This is equals to L of dou square u by dou x square is d square u by dx square. So s of u of x comma s. So u of x comma 0 value is sin phi x. So this is equals to d square u by dx square. Next d square u by dx square minus s u of x comma s minus sin phi x. So we have to solve this equation. So write the auxiliary equation m square minus s is equals to 0. So this implies m square is equals to s. So m is plus or minus square root of s. So the complementary solution is c1 into e to the power root sx plus c2 into e to the power minus root x. So this is the complementary solution. Now we have to find the particular solution. To find particular solution, so in RHS minus sin phi x is there, so minus sin phi x divided by d square minus s. So here d square is replaced by minus phi square, then we get minus sin phi x divided by minus phi square s. So this is equals to sin phi x phi square plus s. So here minus is there, so here take minus common, gets cancelled, then we get this. So then therefore u of x comma s is general solution is c1 e to the power root sx plus c2 e to the power minus root sx plus sin phi x divided by phi square plus s. So this is equation 1. So here two arbitrary constants are there, we have to find this. So in the problem itself given two conditions, u of 0 comma t is equals to 0 and u of 1 comma t is equal to 0 is given. So for this apply Laplace transform on Laplace transform, you get u of 0 comma s is equal to 0, and apply Laplace transform for this, you get u of 1 comma s is equals to 0. Okay, then substituting in then equation 1 becomes u of 0 comma s is equals to 0. This implies c1 plus c2 is equals to 0. If c1 plus c2 is equals to 0, this implies c1 is equals to minus c2. So here c1 is equals to minus c2. So I have to choose any value for c1. Now I am going to take c1 is equals to 0, then automatically c2 is also 0. Therefore equation 1 becomes u of x comma s is equals to sin phi x divided by phi square plus s. So for this, taking inverse Laplace transform on both the sides, then we get u of x comma t is equals to sin phi x into e to the power minus phi square t. So this is the final solution. Thank you so much.